So today we are going to discuss about the current affairs of 7th February 2022. Okay, first, Senegal won its first African Cup of Nations titles by beating Egypt in a penalty shootout. Okay, and this is the first African Cup for Senegal uh, to win these titles and by beating Egypt in a penalty shootout. PM Modi PM Modi inaugurates 50th anniversary celebrations of the International Crops Research Institutes for Semi-Arid Tropics, that is ICRISAT, in Patancheru, Hyderabad. The place name is Patancheru, Hyderabad. PM Modi inaugurates the 50th anniversary celebrations of the International Crops Research Institutes for the Semi-Arid Tropics in Patancheru, Hyderabad. Okay. Next, the government of India has done a conversion switch transactions of its securities with RBI for an amount of 1,19,701 crores. The point is, government of India has done a conversion switch transactions of its securities with RBI for an amount of 1,19,701 crores. Okay. Next, Shanti Pandit, SANTISHREE, Shanti Pandit, appointed first woman vice chancellor of GNU, first women's vice chancellor, Shanti Pandit. Next, ADB lends $4.6 billion loans to India in 2021, and this is the record amount till date that IDBI provided to India, that is $4.6 billion. Next, Sonata Software partners with Microsoft. Sonata Software partners with Microsoft for its launch of Microsoft Cloud for Retails. Okay. Next, BJP's first torchbearer in Lok Sabha. The name of that person is C. Janga Reddy, JANGA. C. Janga Reddy passed away. He is the first torchbearer in Lok Sabha from the party BJP. Okay. Next, Airtel Payment Bank partners with ICICI Lombard to offer cyber solutions. Okay, Airtel Payments Banks partners with ICICI Lombard to offer cyber solutions to provide cyber solutions. The both the partners and which two bodies partners for cyber solutions, that is Airtel Payment Banks and ICICI Lombards. Next, Sourav Ganguly laid the foundation stones of world's third largest cricket stadiums in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Over 100 acres of lands, and the seating capacity of this stadium is 75,000 spectators. Okay. Next, Cyclone Batsirai, Batsirai or Batsirai. Cyclone Batsirai hits Madagascar. Okay, Madagascar. Next, West Bengal launched an open-air classroom programs, and the name of that program is Parayo Shikshalaya, PARAY, Parayo Shikshalaya, and the meaning of this name, that is Parayo Shikshalaya, is neighborhood schools for primary and pre-primary students. Okay, this program, that is Parayo Shikshalaya, launched for primary and pre-primary students. IIT Hyderabad is getting a Suzuki Innovation Centers on its campus. IIT Hyderabad is getting a Suzuki Innovation Centers on its campus. Next, IIT Hyderabad has launched the beta versions of Swaraj Ability, a job portal through which through which they help people with the disability acquire relevant skills and find their jobs. And this Swaraj ability powered by artificial intelligence. Okay, artificial intelligence. Next, IIT Madras has established an interdisciplinary water management policy. IIT Madras has established an interdisciplinary water management and policy centers to solve water problems in India. Okay, these are the points. Then next, Axis Mutual Funds has launched Axis CRISIL. Axis Mutual Fund has launched Axis CRISIL STL 2027 Debt Index Funds. Axis Mutual Funds has launched Axis CRISIL, that is STL 2027 Debt Index Funds. Next, Professor Dinesh Prasad Saklani named as new NCERT directors. Okay, Professor Dinesh Prasad Saklani named as new NCERT director. And on the date of 6th February, we observed International Day of Zero Tolerance to Female Genital Mutilations. 6th February, we observed International Day of Zero Tolerance to Female Genital Mutilations. The last point is KVIC has cancelled the Khadi certifications of its oldest Khadi institutions, that is Khadi Emporium, and this emporium running by Mumbai Khadi and Village Industries Associations. Okay, the last point is KVIC has cancelled the Khadi certifications of its oldest Khadi institutions, that is Khadi Emporiums, and this emporium running by Mumbai Khadi Village Industries Associations. Okay, so thank you.